Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you Fliz AI. It's another tool where you can automate high quality videos powered by AI to increase your sales. So I covered some of those in the past, but this one looks really promising. That's why I decided to also show you guys. Okay. So what it does is you just go and you just need to plug in your URL to your product. So let's say that you have a Shopify WooCommerce shop, or I don't know, or maybe some products on Amazon you want to promote. So you take in the URL of that product, okay, enter the URL of your page, whether it's an article or product sheet or an ad, and choose your format. That's it, okay. That's simple as that. The step two is this Fleece AI in just a few seconds will generate a unique quality retrieving and essential information from your page. Okay, and under the step three, you can share your videos, website on your social media, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. Okay, so that's very simple. All right, so I'm gonna show you some of those examples here. Okay, let's go and watch it.
Did you ever think a smoothie could remind you of a day at the beach? Erewhon, the trendy California supermarket, is at it again with their unique smoothie menu. This time, they've teamed up.
Okay, let's go and check the another one.
Discover the Nike Lunar Roam, the ultimate shoe for men. Designed for comfort,
And the third one.
For sale, an incredible one-bed flat in the Sidings Acton. This home in a gated community.
There you go. It's for the for different purposes. You can do some sort of real estate with it. Products like shoes, everything. What you really want. Okay, you got those videos up to 1 minute even. So I think it's quite interesting. Okay, you can have it. It's easy to use. It's very time. It gives you so much of a it saves you time, okay, and it increases your conversion, and it's a high quality and it's SEO videos, okay. So this is something which you guys might want to go and try it. There are a few testimonials. I like the look of the website itself, okay. So sales page looks really nice. They also have a WordPress plugin for which you can download it for free. So let's say that you have your shop been run on WordPress, okay, and you can download this plugin and you can integrate that with your website and directly, let's say that you have a new product, you just want to add it into your website, boom, you can start away and you can create right away, you can create a video ad to it, okay. So I think that's pretty handy. All right, so let's go quickly into the pricing. Pricing is very pretty straightforward. Okay, annual, it gives you 30% in savings. Monthly, it's a little bit more expensive, but not too much. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the monthly plans. Okay, for free every month you get 2 videos. It's a great way to just go ahead and see if that's something what you'll be looking to use in your business. I think that's great. And for starter, for $14.99 a month, if you go monthly, you got 10 videos you can create with, okay. And also for $29 a month you got a 30 videos, okay. Plus on the 29.90 you got a full HD no fleece watermark, okay. Where I don't understand why you have a fleece watermark here for $14.90. Really don't, because if you start paying for it, I'm expecting watermark to disappear. But anyway, that's their pricing, okay. For advanced it's $69.90, obviously 100 much more videos, like hundred now, and no fleece watermark, custom watermark, API access, WordPress plugin, and full HD. So this WordPress plugin comes with the, if you start paying at least $69.90, and also enterprise from $119.90. For enterprise we had 250 videos, okay. So that's the pricing in a nutshell, okay. Now let's go and log into the software itself, and I just want to show you quickly what can be done with it, okay. Now we are inside the studio, right? It's very pretty straightforward, a clean layout, nothing much of a complication here. You go and click create your first video. And on the first video, you have a very step-by-step guide, okay? Select the type of video you'd like to create, your blog, press article, generate video summary of an article, create visual summary, create automation, voiceovers, and captions. Okay, next page URL. Okay, then you enter the page URL where we will retrieve the information. This could be the URL of the article, product page, or listing, or you want to automatically turn it into the video. Analyze the URL, click to begin analyzing. Okay, and then if you don't have a video URL, you can go and plug in all the assets manually. All right, so that's it. So let's say that we want to do something with e-commerce. Okay, and I choose this simple product here on Amazon. So let's go and copy this product. Okay, it's a drone basically. Okay, and it's let's go and paste it here, and now click analyze this URL. So what I'm expecting is that this tool, this Fliz AI, will actually retrieve all the assets. All right, so okay, you can also add your own ones if you have some, but if you don't, that's fine. Okay, it's some. I like those guidance because you definitely know what to do about it. Okay, check out the content, you retrieve it from URL. Feel free to add more information if you want. Okay, so I think that's it. But here, okay, look, those pictures were found on the website on this particular page of this Amazon website. Okay, and a product name was also retrieved. All right, website name, okay, and product description. You can go ahead and do some sort of customization. Obviously, you can remove that part here. You can add something else. Let's say that don't want to have this long title, so we just make it much shorter. Okay, I think that's a Amazon website. Fine, that's fine. But if you have your own website, you just put it there. And definitely the product description. There you go. That's no problem at all. But the thing is that you also go ahead and you enter as much information as possible about your product description, features, etc. This will allows us to create a powerful sales script. Okay, this is very important. Okay, because it gives you additional information. Okay, so if you give them the additional information, that will actually increase the quality of the outcome of the script itself. Okay, so I think that's quite interesting. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so pleasure with drones with cameras for adults. I think that's let's leave it as it is. Okay, so let's go and continue now. What else do we need to do here? Okay, I think we need to all right, okay, we need to choose a couple of those. You can add between 3 and 10 images. So I want to this image, I want to this image, this one, and this one. Okay, and this one is also nice. All right, so let's leave it those. And now, which format do we want to use? I like the layout, and I like the way this website is being presented to us. I think it's very clean. It's really nice. Okay, simple to use. Okay, language. Perfect. Automatic step by video generation, automatic or step by step. So we recommend step by step mode, allowing you to review and customize the text, images, animations, voiceovers, music, and subtitles style before generating the video. Okay, you also have an access to automatic mode, which provides a finished video instantly. Fliz AI will create everything and choose the best settings for you. All right. Okay, so now what we know what the video generation is automatic and step by step. All right, so okay, so let's say that we want to generate something for TikTok, Reel, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Perfect. We also you can go for YouTube, like the YouTube long form content or Square. All right, but at 9:16 is absolutely fine. And let's go and stick with it step by step. Continue. It's going to cost us 1 credit, but remember, for the free, you got 2 credits amount where you can go and test it yourself. So now we will wait for this to go ahead and generate something for us. So introduction, okay, discovered. Okay, so another. I think that's always going to happen when you start doing this for the first time, which I'm doing right now with you guys, and I think that's great because you can go and learn on the way how to use this software. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and review it. Perfect. Okay, here you can edit, select different images or upload next. Perfect. This is where you can adjust animation and style of a part of the video. Perfect. No worries. So scripts. Okay, discover the pledge drones with camera for adults 4K. Your next adventure awaits. Perfect. Text to display. I think that's great. I like this picture here. Animations. What animations can we do here? Okay, title, classic animations, features. I think that's so many options here, isn't it? True, perfect. I think that this one is it's absolutely fine. Okay, so like let's select this animation part two. Okay, part two, we can go and change different animations here. I think it's great. A script also is great. Okay, part two, part three. And here's the script. Everything you can edit, absolutely amazing. Everything on each step you can do and customize yourself. Remember, all that automatic mode that will be done for you. But if you want to go and do some your own adjustments, like let's say that you want to add some few things here, perfect. You just go and type it in whatever you want to add, and this tool will integrate your ideas into it. Okay, so let's go and continue. Now, the final steps of setting up your video. We'll select the music suited to your content, but you can change it to upload your own. Another thing, okay, we can go ahead and do the voiceover. Right, so we got a few voiceovers, subtitles. Perfect, nice one. Everything it's there, and you can customize watermark display on the video. Please upgrade your plan. Yes, we know that. And okay, there you go. So let's go. I think this music, that's fine. That's it doesn't really matter at this stage. I just want to show you how to use it, but the different music might be suitable for different needs. Okay, so depends on your product or service you want to advertise. So let's take to this one, voice. I think Ryan, it's absolutely fine. You can choose, between male and female voices. Okay, you got a few voiceovers to choose from. Okay, or you can stick to no voice. All right, you can also do that. Subtitles. That's the way your subtitles will appear on this video. I think that's, or you can choose not to have the subtitles, but this one we're gonna go and choose that we want the subtitles. This one, the green one, perfect. Now, Fliz it, and let's wait what's gonna happen. Okay, it's already on the 60%. That's amazing. The speed is quite impressive. I only press the button and it's already there on the 60%. I don't know how long we're gonna wait for it, but look, okay, it's going there. It's going like it's not even 30 seconds, isn't it? And we are already on the final stage of completion of that video. Okay, so I'll be come back into you guys once this is all ready. Okay, the video is ready now. It took a little bit longer than I was expecting. Okay, first, remember, guys, it was within the 30 seconds. We were nearly on the 90% of the completion, but I had to wait another 2 minutes to get it final done. But that doesn't really matter. It's no problem at all. It's so quickly anyway. So, okay, let's go and watch it now. Make it bigger.
Discover the Pleggable drones with camera for adults 4K. Your next adventure awaits. Enjoy breathtaking aerial views with the stunning 4K camera. Capture amazing memories, no matter your flying skill level. This foldable drone is portable and includes 3 batteries for an impressive 45 minutes of continuous flight time. Experience a quieter flight with the advanced brushless motor, enhancing your outdoor enjoyment while respecting nature. Concerned about losing your drone? The Beyond Range Loss Alert keeps you connected, making your flying experience stress-free. Why wait? The Pleggable drone blends quality and functionality, making it
Okay, I think I like it. I have to be honest with you. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but I think I really do like this one. The few things which I would do differently, I would definitely put some more assets into it. For example, from this point all the way to the end. Okay, so nearly like what is it, like half of the whole video. We got this the third or the fourth slide I used here. Okay, and it hasn't been rotated anymore. So basically, they allowing you to add about, what is it, 10 pictures. I think up to 10, between 3 and 10. What I would do, I would just add as many as possible. Okay, to make this just to flip those pictures more often. Okay, so because I only added 3, here you go, those 3 pictures, or 4, like only those were available. But if I added all the way to the 10, you had a 49 seconds, and every few seconds those videos will be flipping. Okay, that's one thing. The other thing, I think it's all good. Like, I definitely will put some more thought into the text. Okay, this one is not really let's be honest, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, taking how much time we spend to put everything together, this one is quite amazing. I have to say, okay. But definitely, if you want to do it, if you'll be doing that for your own brand, you definitely will spend more time to actually think about what you want to say via this advertisement. And obviously, remember 69.99 is the price tag where you're gonna be able to remove this Fliz AI watermark. Is it? Am I saying it right? Let me go back here. Watermark. Oh no, sorry. Bigger pardon. Okay, 1990. Okay, no Fliz watermark. Okay, for yeah, there you go. I think this pricing looks a bit different, doesn't it, from the one which I showed you on the beginning on the beginning of the video? Isn't it true? They already give us some discount, or did I? Oh no, here you go. Yes, you got some discount here. No, it's on the annual plan. Okay, let's go back to monthly. There you go. It's been shown a little bit different. Okay, so no watermark starts with 29.90. Okay, so if you want to remove that watermark, you just need to start paying that 29.90. But if you don't mind it, 4090 adds the starting plan where you can start using it, with the 10 videos a month. Or if you want to go just test it for free, for 2 videos are there for you. Guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. I'll be leaving a link to this product inside the description of it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Any questions, leave it down below. Thank you very much for watching.